How to fix Facebook app marketplace blocked. For this, go ahead and launch your Facebook application. So right here, if your marketplace is not loading up, it might be because of a network issue. For that, check for your Wi-Fi connection. Switch it to a mobile data or a better Wi-Fi connection and try again. If this does not help, turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds. Then turn it back off, then connect your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and this might solve your issue. If this does not help, go ahead and follow this simple step. So you have to actually head back from your Facebook application, then press and hold your Facebook app to go to the app info. Tap on Force Stop and go to Storage and Cache, then clear the cache. If this does not work either, you can go ahead and open up your Facebook and tap on the menu option. Select Help and Support and go to Report a Problem. Right here, wait until it loads up a layout. From here, you have to select Marketplace option. So you can go ahead and tap on the Marketplace option right here given to you. Then in this description box, you can write that your marketplace has been blocked and you will need some of the procedures or a solution. And you can also upload a screenshot of your problem and send it to your Facebook team. Also make sure that you are not connected to any of a VPN connection while you are using your Facebook app. When you use a VPN, this issue might persist as well. So go ahead and follow this simple step and make sure to give it a like. Thank you so much for tuning in.